Namaste everyone. Welcome to IKM. In this video, we will see the meaning of chapter 12 from sloka number 11. Athai kartum madyogamashritah sarvakarma phalatyagam tatah kuru yatatmavan. Krishna is telling to follow the bhakti yoga. If this practice is not possible, then devote yourself to me. And if even then also it is not possible, then control your all senses, renouncing all the fruits of actions. श्रेयो हि ज्ञानमभ्यासात् ज्ञानाद् ध्यानौ विशिष्यते ध्यानात् कर्मफलत्यागः त्यागात् शान्तिरनन्तरम्. But even if you are not practicing this to follow, then pursue the accumulation of knowledge. But superior to that is meditation form. This comes from renunciation by which we can attain peace. Adveshta sarvabhutanam maitrah karuna eva cha nirmamo nirahankaraha samadukkha sukha kshami. He who has no hate, envy, or egoism, who is gracious and compassionate, staying the same in the face of pain and pleasure, is dear to me. Santushta satatai yogi yatatma dridha nishchayah mayyarpita mano buddhihi yo madbhaktas same priyah. Who is tolerant, self-controlled, firm in his resolve, fixed in devotional practice, and whose mind and intellect are always fixed on me, is dear to me. Yasman no dvijate lokah, lokan no dvijate chayah, harsha marsha bhayodvegaihi mukto yasacha me priyah. He who perturbs no one and who is never disturbed by anyone, who is unattached to happiness, impatience, fear, and anxiety, is dear to me. Anapekshas shuchir dakshah udasino gatavyatah sarvarambha parityagi yo madbhaktas same priyah. My devotee, who is not dependent on the results of his action, who is pure, knowledgeable, impartial, and free from desire and anxiety, is very dear to me. Yo na hrishyati na dveshti, na shochati na kankshati, shubha shubha parityagi, bhaktiman yassa me priyah. One who neither rejoices, grieves, nor yearns, who has renounced both good and evil, and who is devoted to me, is dear to me. Samashatrau cha mitre cha tatha manapamanayoho shitoshna sukha dukkeshu samasanga vivarjitah. One who treats friends and enemies equally, balanced in honor and disgrace, heat and cold, happiness and anguish, free from attachment, is dear to me. Tulya ninda stutir mauni santushto yena kenachit aniketa sthiramatihi bhaktiman me priyo naraha. Unconcerned about blame and praise, controlled in speech, content, without any fixed residence, even-minded, and engaged in devotional service, such a person is dear to me. Ye tu dharmyamritamidam यथोक्तं पर्युपासते श्रद्धधाना मत्परमाः भक्तास्तेतीव मे प्रियाः. Those who follow this path of sincere devotional service with me as the supreme goal are beloved to me. ॐ तत्सदिति श्रीमद्भगवद्गीतासु उपनिषत्सु ब्रह्मविद्यायां योगशास्त्रे श्रीकृष्णार्जुनसंवादे भक्तियोगो नाम द्वादशोऽध्यायः।